Huwag na kasi.
Rick, may power ka na na.
Aba. Kasi yun dito logo.
Bakit?
Ayaw papagkis ano. Di ba na papagkis ko? Tapos ayaw.
Hayaan mo na.
Hindi na.
Hayaan mo na. Kung ayaw, hayaan mo na. Huwag mo na siyang i-discard kailan.
O, isa ingay ng electric fan ko.
Ba't di mo pinatay?
Nakabukas lang yan. Kumain na ako. Scary store.
Tuluan nyo yung gusto sa'yo ng ano na ito.
Bro, why did it suddenly turn different? Salamin ka! Salamin, salamin, salamin! Salamin, salamin, salamin! Salamin, salamin, salamin! Salamin, salamin, salamin! Remigo, remigo! It suddenly turned different. We like to teach you. Beautiful.
Rick, si nanay tumatawag oh. Hello mo.
Hello! Idol!
Idol,
Ah!
natulog ka yata.
Apa! Kasi...
Natulog ka.
Apa!
Ay, bakit na nakatulog ka?
Kasi naatog po ako eh. Kasi naatog po ako eh.
Kasi aga mo kasing bangon dito eh. Diyan ka na matutulog.
Opo. Bimo.
Apa.
Sige, sa Biyernes na lang ulit.
Sige. Kasi may bag.
Ano mo?
Ulam.
Ah,
Ano ulam ko?
Laga.
Nilaga.
sarap naman. Ako, kami tinon na lang. Tinon. Sige na, bawi na, Idol.
Bilangga mo, bro.
Ha?
Bilanggam.
Sige na. Bawi na.
Sige pa. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Okay, that was my bad. That just was my bad. Man, that was my bad. No, look, there's a new little ape. Let's go. Hold on a minute. Wow, new back rooms. And that is a pool room. Yay!
Mikey!
Ala, puno. Nagawa ko ng yelo.
Sa baba lang.
Puno din. Namili akong 3 cake.
Kahit sa gilid lang.
Contis.
Wow, sana all.
Ay.
Sana all.
Ano ba yan?
Ano lang yan, office lang yan.
Thank
Saka-
you.
They added the new game modes.
Thank you na boy. Nagbagong boy na.
Si Buhay tayo yun. Ay, si Buhay tayo.
Guys, that was just Goober. Let's play BTM Big Monster. Tuntun paki, paki alimango sa dagat. And I'm dead. Bleh. Oh, he's still surviving. Who is this guy? Is this a
May mga
VR?
nakadilikas na dun ah.
Ay.
Sa school.
Baka pinalikas ng data.
Nothing. And please, they're dead.
Oh, ito na.
He's the fastest monster. And he lose. Because he shocked this game. Wait a minute. Why is he doing like that? Hey, loose! Yeah! Ah, man! I'm to call it right now! Hello, who's the monster? I'm gonna go check. Who's the monster? Who's the monster? Nah, probably nothing. Key! I swear to God, if this guy's right here, I'm gonna run. Who's that? Oh! Run! He's right there. Ooh! Ooh! Yeah, I saw that guy right there. And dodge! Man, he's right there. Okay, come and kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Come and kill me. I said come and kill me. Blech. So that's perfect. I can still have it though because I'm so poor because I have 20 gold. I got 10 gold. Like and subscribe so I can get many golds. Who's that monster? October. Who said that? Oh, this guy's a monster. Hello there. What is that? Oh yes, it's just an ape. He's running fastest. He can. Oh yeah, this is upstairs. Ah, okay. He's gonna hide right there. Who was that monster? This guy was a monster. He killed me. Because he's so annoying. That's end of the video. Bye. Okay, never mind. Just kidding. Oh, he died. That's cool. Guys, pretend I'm the monster. I got 1 million gold. And he died. He just sucks. He sucked this game. And if I play this, if I play this in my phone, I got die by Jimmy. Who is that monster? Again. No, that can happen. That's the end of the video. Okay. Why this guy's not moving? He lose. He sucked this game. That's the end of the video. Never mind, guys. That's just oh. Man, he died. He freaking died. He died. He really freaking died. He really freaking died. He died. Man, he lost. Everyone dies. And I did not something. Why, Brody? I want to be the poster. Like,
Belay.
lang pa.
Sige po.
May tao! Wala.
Anong load?
Wala dito si Mami yan, boy. Ayan ba? Ayan na ata. Ayan na ba? Ayan na. Ayan na ba?
Ah! Yung tungki alimang sa taka ato paki. Tungki alimang sa taka ato paki. Tungki alimang sa taka ato paki. Tungki alimang ki. Tungki alimang sa taka paki. Come and kill me. Come and hit me.
Ano boy, 449, sorry.
Sige.
He's moving. Ooh, he's right there.
At tayo mo mag-upuan.
Amen. Release the monster. He got a new texture. Well, I hate this guy. What do you mean by that? Oh, yeah. Died. In the lobby. I'm going to save up. Ah! Just race. I'll watch as you breathe for I warn you. Do not hear it's your. Oh yes! Why? Okay, that's the end of the video.